Yogena citasya padena vacha malam sharirasya Javagyakena Iyopakarotam Pravanam Munina Patanjalim Pranajaliyanatosmi Avahu Purushakaram Shankachakra Siddharinam Sahasra Shira Sanshvetam Pranamami Patanjalim Harihi Namaste everyone. Today we will learn Sun Salutation by Iyengar way. So there is 13 steps of Sun Salutation. So in Iyengar way there is a little bit jumping. So by jumping you have to do Sun Salutation. So how to do with proper alignment, the proper way, the proper tricks. So get to the final position with flow. So let's get started. So stand on your top of the mat. So 1 feet distance from your top of the mat. Feet together or you can feet apart. So big toes touching if the feet together. And your pinky toe and your outside of the heels should be in line. Keep pressing your feet firmly, tighten the knees and engage the quad, your leg muscles, and soften your glutes and extend your tailbone, navel in, chest open. Roll your shoulders back and drop your shoulders down, so your chest ascending upward and your shoulders descending downwards, chin parallel. Inhale and exhale. So this is samstitihi, the equal standing position. Inhale here. Now as you exhale, Namaskar, join your palms. So first thing is where to inhale or where to exhale. There's a common problem for the beginners. So whenever you're folding your body, your hands, anything, it goes exhale. And whenever you're spreading, raising, opening your chest, it goes inhale. Okay? So here in Namaskar, we are folding our hands, we are joining our palms, so it goes exhale. So exhale in Namaskar or Pranamasana. Now inhale, raise your hands up, Urdhva Hastasana, and gaze upward towards your thumb. Or you can look front. If it's hard to join your palms because of stiff shoulder, so your hands away, shoulders relax. Now as you exhale, fold forward. So how to get into the forward fold? So when you're going to the forward fold, so as you exhale, tilt your pelvis up. So we are bending from the hips. And make sure your head between your hands when you're going down. So keep bending from the hips. Now if it's hard to go deeper, then you can micro bend the knees and placing your hands beside your feet. If without bending the knees, that's okay, that's perfect. If hard, you can micro bend the knees. Now inhale, halfway through is Ardha Uttanasana. Now as you exhale, you have to jump back. So when you exhale, you have to bend your knees and keeping your palms flattened. So here, when you're jumping back, the body weight goes to your hands. So it needs arm strength to jump back. So press your palms, shift your body weight on your palms, and with control by engaging your core, or you can also by holding the breath back and exhale in downward facing dog pose, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now next posture is upward facing dog pose. So we're jumping. So look front, bend your knees. So there's a modification of the downward facing. So first go to the modification and then inhale. You have to jump back and keeping your toes point. Make sure you're not hitting the knees. You have to press the top of the feet and lift the chest higher in upward facing dog pose. And then jump back to Chaturanga, Dandasana. Then inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. And then exhale to Adho Mukha Svanasana. And here is a holding for 5 count or 5 breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Look front, bend your knees, press your palms, and now shift your body weight on your palms, arm strength and core. Inhale halfway through. And exhale, fold forward. Now how to come back to the Urdhva. So first, you can micro bend the knees and stretch your hands front, head between your hands, and come up with your spine straight. Urdhva. And exhale, Namaskar. Inhale, Samastiti. So this is the way to practice Iyengar way, Sun Salutation. For beginners, it's hard to jump, so no need to jump. Without jumping, so how to do without jumping? So just few things. Like after Urdhva is forward fold. And if it's hard to jump, you can walk your legs back, or you can jumping in 2 parts, 1 and 2 downward facing. And inhale, upward facing. You have to lean forward without bending your knees or without bending your elbow. And lift your chest. You can tuck your toes. So first 3 or 4 rounds with toes tucked. And after your body is fully warm, then you can point your toes. And then exhale, tuck your toes. Chaturanga. Point your toes. Urdhva Mukha. And roll your toes or tuck your toes to the downward face. After 5 breath, jumping 2-way, or you can simply walk the legs front halfway, forward fold. Inhale, Urdhva. Exhale, Namaskar. Inhale, Samastiti. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications.